Hello. So, if you've seen our other videos, you've seen some of the versatility of our Shrike Mounts system. I'm going to give a quick demonstration on new products we have that will also allow you to use that quick changeability to mount really large bags on your bike. So, this is our typical bag. Has our receiver, mounts to our peg, slips on, locks in place based on an internal knob. Really great for commuting day-to-day use, but what if you're going on a long weekend trip? You can just pop this off, use this plate, mount the plate. For folks who have played with traditional saddlebags before, you can already kind of see what's going to happen here. You're going to be able to put a set of throw-over bags on the bike, and this plate's going to be able to keep it from flopping around, getting caught in the rear wheel. Let me just connect the other side. Same process. All right, now we're ready. These will provide a stable mount to keep the bags from swinging back and forth, especially under heavy load. We use the Ninja 250 a lot because it has a very small tail section. It's not easy to mount bags to it. So I'm just going to take the tail cowl off. Grab what might be considered a weekend set of touring bags. These are Nelson Rig Spirit 50s. It's a good size bag, especially on a small bike like this. I can just throw these over the top. You can already see what's happening is these plates are keeping these bags from flopping inward. I'm just going to adjust these forward a little bit. Connect the straps. I'm cheating a little bit, I already had the straps in place. That was just to make this a quicker video. So, strap here, strap here. This lets me make sure that I can clear the tail section as well. Connect the front straps. Make sure it's secure. Pop the tail cowl back in place. And just like that, you've got a touring set of bags mounted to a Ninja 250.